So in the today's session, we are going to discuss about what are the different ETL tools, all those things we'll discuss about today's session. Okay. Yeah. So like Informatica, we have different ETL tools in market. Okay. So as I told you, one second, please. As I told you, Informatica is an ETL tool. Informatica Power Center is an ETL tool. Okay. So like Informatica Power Center, there are many ETL tools in market. Other ETL tools in market. What are the other ETL tools in market are? Okay. We have data stage. We have talent. Okay. We have ab initio. We have Snowflake. Okay. We have SSIS. Okay. Like this, there are many. Yeah, SAP BW. Okay. So like this, we have many ETL tools in market. Okay. See, ETL, if I want to tell something, okay, ETL is like an Android. You know all Android. Android is an operating system. But ETL is not an Android. ETL is not an operating system. ETL is like an Android. So by using Samsung phone, you can use Android. By using OnePlus phone, you can use Android. By using MI phone, you can use Android. By using Realme phone, you can use Android. Same way, by using Informatica, you can use ETL. By using Talent, you can use ETL. By using ab initio, you can do ETL. That means we are using Android in all the mobiles, right? Functionality is same. In all the Android mobiles, functionality is same. Yes or no? In all the Android, different Android phones in market, functionality is same. Yes or no, please? Yes, same way. ETL tools, functionality is same, but tools will be different. Android is same, but phones will be different. Same way. ETL is same, but tools are different. Okay. Tools are different. Ultimately, what we are doing. Okay. So, one second, please. Yeah. So we are ultimately what we are doing. We are doing ETL. Okay. We are doing ETL. So ETL process can be done by using any tool. Okay. One second, please. One minute, yes. 1 minute, please. Yeah. Okay. So, 1 minute, please. So what we are doing? So by using any mobile, we can use Android. Same way, by using any ETL, by using data stage or talent, ab initio, Snowflake, SSIS, SAP BW, you can implement ETL concept. Did you understand, please? Yeah. Did you understand, guys? Everyone? What is an ETL? What is an ETL? I already told. Okay, like this, there are different ETL tools in market. Okay. There are different ETL tools in market. That's what I want to tell. Okay. Now coming to Informatica. Informatica. So now we are discussing on Informatica Power Center. In this training, we are discussing on Informatica Power Center. So Informatica is a software company. Informatica is a data integration company. It is a product-based software company. Okay. So guys, my voice on screen is clear. Is my voice on screen is clear? Whoever getting low volume, you need to increase your volume in your laptop. If you are getting low volume means you need to increase your volume in your laptop, please. Everybody are able to, okay, are able to listen properly. If you are unable to listen, it's your problem, please. It's your problem. Okay. Yeah. Fine. So Informatica is a data integration company. It's a product-based company based on US, but this company is in Bangalore, Hyderabad also. In India also, Informatica exists. Informatica company is there. So in Informatica, okay, in Informatica, yeah. So in Informatica company, there are several tools. They have developed several tools. The first tool they have developed is Informatica Power Center. Okay. The first tool they developed is Informatica Power Center. The first tool they have developed is Informatica Power Center. Okay. This is a basic tool they have developed. Later, they have developed Informatica Intelligent Cloud Services, that is Informatica Cloud, Information Lifecycle Management, ILM, Informatica Big Data Management, BDM, Informatica Master Data Management, MDM, Informatica Cloud Data Management, Cloud Test Data Management, TDM, okay, TDM, Informatica IDQ, Data Quality. These are all the Informatica tools. These are all the tools implemented by Informatica. These are different tools used for different purpose. But to learn all these tools, if you want to learn ISCS, if you want to learn IDQ, if you want to learn BDM, if you want to learn MDM, you must require, okay, you must require Informatica Power Center. Informatica Power Center is a basics for all tools. If you don't know about Informatica Power Center, okay, you will not, okay, you will not understand, okay, you will not understand about these tools. You will not understand about these tools. Did you understand, please? Yes. Okay. So the basics for all these tools is Informatica Power Center. So you must learn Informatica Power Center. Maybe after 3-4 years, Informatica Power Center will be replaced with Informatica Cloud. When you get a job on Power Center, they will give the cloud, they'll give the training on cloud. You no need to worry. You no need to worry. So first understand the basics. First understand Power Center properly, because Power Center is basics to all Informatica tools. Okay, that's about this. Then I have told you about the ETL process. What is ETL process? We will extract the data from source, we will transform it, and we'll load to target. That target is called data warehouse. Anyway, in the later sessions, I'll be telling about what is data warehouse, what is all these things I'll tell later. What is OLAP, what is data warehouse, okay? I'll tell all those things, okay, in later sessions. So ETL means you can extract the data from a table or a file and transform it and load it to table or a file. See, extract from any source. You can extract the data from any source, and we can extract the data from Oracle database, SQL Server database, and other database, any database, and transform it and load it to target. From the target, the reports will generate. That is called ETL process. Are you clear, please? Are you clear? Everyone? Understanding what is an ETL process? Yes, please. Okay. Now, so to learn any ETL tool, database is required. Database knowledge is required. Database experience or knowledge is required. Okay. So in our training, we will be dealing with Oracle SQL. So if you want to work with Oracle Power Center, if you want to work with Informatica Power Center, you must know about Oracle SQL. Without Oracle, that means any database, either Oracle or SQL Server or MySQL or any other database, at least one database, you should know. You should get good knowledge on these things. Otherwise, you cannot work on ETL tool because database is a backbone for ETL tool. Database is a backbone for ETL tool. Are you clear, please? Understanding? So we'll be discussing few Oracle commands today. We'll be discussing few Oracle commands. What is Oracle? All those things we will discuss today. Yes, please. Understanding, everyone? Yeah? Yes, guys? Yeah? Okay, fine. Now, what are the database servers we have? What are the different database servers in market? What are the different database servers in market? What are the different database servers in market? We have the popular is Oracle, SQL Server. We have MySQL, we have DB2, we have Teradata. Okay, we have many databases. Sybase. Okay, we have Sybase. Yeah, we have Greenplum. We have MongoDB. Okay, we have Cassandra DB. There are different databases we have. Like this, there are different databases we have. Okay, these are the different database servers in market. You should know at least one. If you know Oracle, you can work with any of these. Okay, because Oracle is the older one and it is very popular. Still, people are using Oracle. If you know Oracle, you can work with any other database. Okay, so now we will be discussing with Oracle. Because the commands are same for all. Only little difference is there. Now we will discuss about Oracle. Oracle is divided into two parts: SQL, PLSQL. SQL, PLSQL. What is SQL means? What is SQL means? What is SQL? Structured query language. Structured query language. PLSQL means procedural language. Slash, okay, structured query language. Procedural language, structured query language. Okay. Second, please. 1 second. Yeah. So Oracle is divided into two parts: SQL, PLSQL. So PLSQL is advanced SQL, I can say. So PLSQL is advanced SQL. PLSQL means advanced SQL. So to get the job on Informatica or to work on Informatica, SQL is enough. So Oracle is divided into two parts. What is that? SQL, PLSQL. You must know about SQL. You must know SQL commands. So to work with Informatica, okay, you must know Oracle SQL commands at least. These are very easy commands. These are not difficult. Okay, so you can easily learn if you already know. Okay. If you already know about SQL, Informatica is very easy. If you don't know, I will tell from zero. Okay. Now we will see some Oracle commands today. So to work with Oracle, To work with Oracle database, to work with Oracle database, okay, we must require a tool. Which tool? We must require a tool. Which tool? SQL developer tool we require. SQL developer or Toad to work with Oracle developer, to work with Oracle database. Okay. Okay. To work with Oracle database, we must require a tool called SQL developer or Toad. Okay. So if you want to work with Oracle, this tool is must. By using these two, any one tool in real time, mostly we will use this. Mostly we will use this tool and we can work on Oracle. Are you clear, please? Yes, please. Yeah, in real time also we'll work mostly on SQL. So can we work on Oracle now? Can we work on Oracle? Yes, please. Yeah. SQL is different and SQL Server is different. Yes. SQL, Oracle is from Oracle company. SQL Server is Microsoft company. SQL Server is from Microsoft company. Okay. So these are different. Oracle, in Oracle, there are two parts. SQL, PLSQL. SQL, PLSQL. In Oracle, there are two parts. SQL, PLSQL. Oracle is different. SQL Server is different. MySQL is different. Almost all will be used. Almost all the databases used almost same commands. Okay. Almost same commands. Okay. Yes, please. Are you clear? PLSQL not required. I will not cover PLSQL. I'll cover only SQL, please. I'll cover only SQL. That is more than enough. Okay. That is more than enough. That is more than enough. Yes, guys. Are you clear? Yeah. Now, to work with Oracle, you need to launch Oracle SQL Developer. So where it is, you already installed SQL Developer. If you already installed SQL Developer, click on this one. Okay. Click on this one. See, please. To work with Oracle, see what I am saying. Please understand carefully. I want to work with Oracle SQL. To work with Oracle SQL, we must require a tool. That tool is called SQL Developer. Okay. That tool is called SQL Developer. Okay. Yes, please. Yes, guys, understanding? Are you clear? Oracle is a database. In Oracle database, we have two things. Okay, what is that? SQL, PLSQL. SQL, PLSQL. Okay. So to work with SQL developer tool is required. SQL developer tool is required. Okay. What is the tool? This tool. If you open this, from this, you need to access Oracle. From this tool, you need to access Oracle. Are you clear, please? Everyone, are you clear? Yes, please. Yeah, SQL is a language. Yes. Structured query language. It's a database language. SQL is a language, but it is very easy. It's very easy to implement, to understand, to work. Okay. I will show you. Okay. Let it open. Yeah. So this is Oracle SQL Developer. This is SQL Developer. This is SQL Developer. Okay. In SQL, what topics we should learn? I will tell you this. See, while I am saying, you have to listen carefully, please. You no need to do anything. You should just listen my sessions. Listen my sessions. Listen my sessions, please. Okay, don't open anything. You no need to do parallelly anything. Just listen my sessions. That's it. After completion of the session, you can practice. Parallelly, you don't do anything. I will give every notes, everything. Only thing is, listen carefully my sessions, please. Join in laptop. Don't join in mobile. Join in laptop and listen carefully about my sessions. Are you clear? Clear, please. You no need to open anything in your system right now. While showing, you should not do parallelly. While I am showing, you should not do parallelly. You just see this and understand it so that you can easily practice. That's about this. Yeah. Okay. 1 second, please. One minute. So this is Oracle SQL Developer. This is Oracle SQL Developer. Okay. The left side window is called navigation window. Okay. The left side window is called navigation window. Okay. And if you open any schema, I'll show you. The left side window is navigation window. And this window, this window is workspace window, and the output window will come. And a output window will come. Okay. If you see here, yeah, this is output window. This is navigation window. This is output window. This is navigation window. This is workspace window. This is workspace window. Now, we are discussing about Oracle database. We are discussing about now Oracle database. In Oracle database, what we are discussing? In Oracle database, what we are discussing? In Oracle database, what we are discussing? We are discussing about SQL. We are discussing about SQL commands. SQL commands. So Oracle, the database, any database contains what? Any database contains tables. To access the tables, okay? To access the tables, we require commands. To access the tables from database, we should know the commands. We should know the Oracle commands. We should know the SQL commands. SQL commands. What were? So data is stored in the format of tables. Tables are stored in database. To access the tables, to see the table, to delete the table, to create a table, we should know SQL commands. Are you clear, please? Are you clear? Yes, guys. So how to launch? If you could have already installed Oracle SQL Developer, I already shown you how to launch in the video. So you can double click on this. If you double click on this, then Oracle SQL Developer will open. Any version is fine. Oracle SQL Developer, any version is fine. Okay. Now this is Oracle SQL Developer. Now, so as I told you, if I show you here, a database. Suppose this is a database. This is a database. This is what? Database. Which database? Oracle database. Oracle database. In database contains what? Tables, right? Database contains tables. Yes, please. Yes or no, guys? Database is a collection of tables. Database is a collection of tables. Before going to tables, database is collection of schema. Database is collection of schema. Okay, what are those? Database is collection of schema. Database is collection of schema. Okay, schemas. I can say schemas. We will call it a schema. So this is schema 1, schema 2, schema 3, schema 4, schema 5. In each schema, we have tables. In each schema, we have database objects. Okay. In each schema, we have database objects. That means tables. Schema is a collection of database objects. What is a schema? Schema is a collection of database objects. Collection of database objects. That means database contains schema. Schema contains tables. Simple. Okay. So database is what? Database is collection of schema. Collection of schema. Schema is what? Schema is collection of database objects. Collection of database objects. What are the database objects? What are the database objects we have? If you open any database here, okay, here we have, if you see, we have tables, views, indexes, packages, procedures, functions, operations. So a database contains schema. Schema contains all these things. Okay. One of the database schema is, one of the database object is tables. So schema is collection of database objects like tables, views, and synonyms. Okay. 1 second, please. Somebody are calling. 1 second. Yes, please. Okay. So database is a collection of schema. Okay. So instead of directly, database will not contain tables. Database is a collection of databases having different schema. Inside the schema, tables will be present. Okay. So these tables are called database objects. Database objects. So database is collection of schema. Schema is collection of database objects like tables, views, synonyms, procedures. So these are all called database objects. These are all called database objects. We'll be working on mostly in real time. We'll be working on tables and views mostly. Tables and views, and sometimes indexes. Sometimes indexes. These are the things we will work in real time. So if you know about the tables, views, and indexes, that is more than enough. You no need to learn all the database objects. Are you clear, please? Are you clear? Everyone understanding? Everyone able to understand? So to create a table, before creating a table, you should create a schema. You should create a schema. You should create a schema. Yes, today's second session. First session is available in YouTube. Okay. I will send the first session in the group. I'll send the first session in the group. Okay. You can go through that. You can go through that and you can watch the first session. And this session also I'll send. So please go through that. Okay. What is views and all we'll see later. We'll see later. What is views synonyms? We'll see later. First, we'll concentrate on tables now. First, we'll concentrate on tables. Okay. Database will not contain any files. Database contains schema. Schema contains database objects. What are the database objects? Tables, views, synonyms. Are you clear, please? Are you clear? So to create a table, before you create a table, if you open a database, you should create a schema. You should create a schema. Okay. So how to create a schema? How to create a schema? In your system, these many things will not be there. Only one or two things will be there. In your system, info repo and info DOM are there. Correct? Yes or no, please? In Oracle SQL Developer, you have only two schemas. Okay, that is for Informatica. This is for Informatica. Now to work with, we should create a schema. How to create a schema? By default, we have a sys schema. This is comes by default. When you install Informatica, when you install Oracle, it will come by default. What you need to do now? What you need to do? You need to click on this plus for sys. When you click on plus, it will open like this. It will open like this. Sys will be there for you, right? Do you have everything sys? It will be having for sure. Okay. Click on this plus symbol and this is system schema. Okay. In real time, yes, we should create. You should know about schema. You should know about how to create a table. You should know. In real time, what we will do, we'll see later, please. First, we need to understand the basics. First, we need to understand the basics. That is what I'm saying now. Now, I am discussing about how to create a schema. How to create a schema. How to create a schema in Oracle database. That's what I'm discussing today. To create a schema in database, you click on sys symbol, plus symbol here, and you should write a command, create username, OT, SRC, dev10, identified by password admin. So we will call schema, okay, or user, both are same. Okay, create user means schema. User or schema both are same. Create a user or schema both are same. Create username, that is schema name, identified by password. What is the syntax? The syntax to create a user schema name. Create user schema name, create user schema name, identified by password. So what we have given here, if you see, we have given here, what we have given, create username, that is schema name, create user schema name. Okay, OTSRC dev10 is a schema name. You can give any name. Okay, you should not write schema. You should write user only. Create username. Username means schema name, identified by password. You should write like this only. Then put a semicolon at the end of the thing. Select this and execute it. See, OTSRC dev10 is created. Yes, password is must required. Yes, password can be anything. Username can be anything. You must write like this only. Are you clear, please? Are you clear? Everyone? Understanding, guys, how to create a schema? Once you create a schema, what you need to do now? We need to give the privileges. Okay? No, you are creating a new schema now. This is a new schema. You should set a password. That password is admin. Password can be small or capital, anyone. If you use password small, you should take small. I'll show you, please wait. Then you should write like this. Grant all privileges to schema name. Grant all privileges to schema name, and then grant DBA to schema name. Okay. Now select this, execute it. Select this green one. Execute means this one, green one. Execute it. So what you need to do? You need to create username, that is schema name, identified by password. Grant all privileges to schema. What is the schema? OTSRC dev10. Grant DBA to OTSRC dev10. These two no need to understand about it. Just execute these three one by one. You can select this and execute. You can select this and execute. Select this and execute. So that your schema is created. Is the schema is created, please? Is the schema is created? Yes, please. Yeah, DBA means database administrator. DBA means database administrator. How to delete a schema, we'll see later. Don't delete it now. Just what is grant DBA? We are giving some grants. We'll see about that later. We'll see about the grants later. It should be succeeded. What is the meaning of privileges? What is the meaning of DBA? We'll see later, please. It is not so important. We'll see about it later. So you created a schema like this. Did you understand how to create a schema? Everyone, please. Non-IT guys, are you able to understand how to create a schema? Yes, please. Everyone, are you able to clear? Yeah, yes, okay. Once you create a schema, you should configure the schema. Once you create a schema, you should configure the schema. You should configure the schema. That means it should show here. Is it showing OTSRC.10 here anyways? No, right? This OTSRC.10 is created, but it is not showing here anywhere. So to show up here, you need to configure. How to configure? Are you seeing this plus button? Are you seeing this green plus button? Are you seeing the green plus button? Yes. See, underscores why I am giving here, because you should not give space like this. You should not give space. And if I give like this without a space, it does not look like good, right? That's why I'm giving underscore. That's it. To make you understand better, name of a schema should not contain spaces. Name of a schema should not contain spaces. This can be any space, any case, but password is case sensitive. Okay. So what we are doing now, we have created a schema. You need to configure a schema. How to configure a schema? Click on this plus symbol. Click on the plus symbol. Here you write the name. Name is username or schema name. OT SRC dev10. OT SRC dev10 is my schema name. That is name, and the username and name both are same, schema name. Password is what? Whatever you have written here. If you written small you should give. If you written caps you should give. So you should give admin here. Admin, save password. These are all by default. Host name, port number, SID. These are different. No, don't use numericals. Don't use numericals. At least one character should be there. At least one character should be there. Okay. For password or this one character should be there. So what I have given, the schema name, username and name or schema name, password, whatever I given here, the same case you should give, and test and connect. When you test and connect, OT SRC dev10 is created. OT SRC dev10 is created. Is it created? Is a connection symbol you're seeing? There is a plug symbol. It is connected. It is connected. Click on the plus symbol. These are all the database. In this schema now, we have these many database objects are there. Now we are concentrating on tables mainly. Now we are concentrating on tables mainly. Are you clear? How to create a schema? How to configure a schema? Are you clear, please? How to create a schema? How to configure a schema? Are you clear? Everyone able to understand? Yes, please. How to create a schema? How to configure a schema? Now in this schema, now see, when you click on the plus symbol, then this OTSRC dev10 it is showing here. You can close it if you want. You can close like this. You can close like this. Let me copy this. Okay. So you can close these things if you want. Okay. How to open it? Now how to open it? How to open a Oracle OTSRC dev10? Right click on it. So here, click on the plus symbol. When you click on the plus symbol, it will open automatically. Sometimes if it is not open, what you need to do? Right click on it, open SQL worksheet. Right click on the schema, open SQL worksheet. Did you see this? Yes, please. Yeah, it is open. Yes, guys. Yes, is it open? Now you need to write the commands here. You need to write the SQL commands here. You need to write the SQL commands here. You need to write the SQL commands here. If you test it will show success, then you can go to connect. So now here in this window, so whatever you are writing, it will go and store in. If you create a table, that table will be stored under OTSRC dev10 schema. Dev10 schema. So first you create a schema. The first thing is open SQL developer. Open SQL developer. Next, create a schema. Create a schema. Next is configure the schema. Configure the schema. Yes, please. Yes, guys. Yeah, understanding? Understanding, everyone? You need to open SQL developer, create a schema and configure the schema. Under this schema now, whatever you do, the tables will store under this schema. If you can open OTSRC down. If you have one more schema, you can open that schema. So we are discussing about, we are storing all these things in the OTSRC Dev10. Now, what we need to do? As I told you, database is collection of tables, right? Tables means what? Rows and columns. So you should learn how to create a table, how to create a table, how to delete a table, how to delete a table, how to update a table, how to insert the records into table, how to insert the records into table, insert the records into table. Okay. You must know how to create a table, how to delete a table, how to insert the records into table, how to update the table. Okay. These and all you must know. These and all can be done by using SQL commands. These and all can be used by SQL commands. You must know the commands because you need to create a table, right? Yes, please. You should create a table or not? Yeah, you should create a table. How to create a table? By using SQL command. So now we are learning now. We are learning Oracle SQL commands now. We are learning Oracle SQL commands. What we are learning? Oracle SQL commands. Why we are learning? Why we are learning SQL commands? Why we are learning SQL commands? To do the operations of SQL, to do the operations of table. That means to create a table, to insert the records into table, to update the table, all those things we will know. So we are learning SQL commands. So we have few basic SQL commands. We have few basic SQL commands. What are those? Those are DDL commands, DML commands, TCL commands, DQL commands. Okay. And these are enough. These are more than enough. Okay. These are more than enough. DDL means data definition language. Data definition language. What is DDL? Data definition language. 1 second, please. Data definition language. Data definition language. DML means data manipulation language. Data manipulation language. TCL means transaction control language. DQL means data query language. Okay, we have DDL commands, DML commands, TCL commands, DQL commands. So now, what are the commands will come under DDL? What are the commands will come under DML? What are the commands will come under TCL? What are the commands will come under DQL? We'll see now. DDL will come under DDL. We should come. The commands are create command, alter command, drop command, rename command, truncate command. Okay. Yes, please. Guys, to ask the questions, please wait. I will not unmute anyone, but you can ask in the chat. Please. Okay. If you want to ask any question, you need to ask in the chat, because at a time, now there are 300 people are there. At a time, 300 people speaking means nobody can understand anything. So you can ask anything in the chat, but not now. When I ask you that, do you have any questions? Then you can ask the questions. Till then, what you need to do? Just understand what I'm saying. Just watch my session and understand what I'm saying. Okay. Create, alter, drop, rename, truncate. DML commands: insert, update, delete. Insert, update, delete. Insert, update, delete. Okay. TCL commands: commit and roll back. DQL commands are select. Okay. These are the commands we have. These are the different basic SQL commands we have. We should know how to create a table, how to alter a table, how to drop a table, how to rename a table. We should know how to insert a table, records in the table, update the records in a table, delete the records in a table. We should know how to commit a table, how to roll back a table. We should know how to select a table. Are you clear, please? Everyone able to understand? Able to understand, please, what we are doing? We should know one by one now. We should know how to use create command, how to use drop command, how to use alter command, how to use rename command. Okay, rename command. Okay, 1 second, please. 1 second, please. Yeah. Okay. So create command. What is truncate? All those things I'll tell you. What is truncate command? What is all those things I will tell. All those things I will tell. Okay. I'll tell. Just observe what to do. Okay. So did you understand? Did you understand, guys, what we are doing now? We are learning these commands. We are learning all these commands. We must know. Okay. We must know all these commands. No, we must know all these commands. We must know all these commands. Okay. Fine. Now, see, as I told you, okay. 1 second, guys, please wait. Difference between truncate and delete, all those things we'll see. First, we understand it. So before creating a table, we should create a schema. We already created a schema. Now we should know how to create a table, how to insert the records into table, how to delete the records into table. Now we need to do it. Are you clear? Are you clear, please? What we need to do? Understanding. So now we are learning how to create a table, how to alter a table, how to drop a table, how to rename a table, how to truncate a table, how to insert the records into table, update the records into the table, delete the records from the table, and commit the table, roll back the table, and select the table. So these table operations, these are all table operations. Yes or no, please? We are doing operations on table. So to do the operations on table, you must know these commands. You must know these commands. Are you clear, please? Everyone able to understand what I'm saying? Everyone able to understand what I'm saying, please? Yes, guys? Yeah, we must know now how to create. We must know how to create a table first. Okay. So what is a table? What is a table? What is a table? What is a table, guys? Collection of rows and columns, right? So like this. So like this, we have rows and columns. Row means horizontal line. Column means vertical line. This is column. This is row. A table name. Suppose my table name is students. My table name is students. My table name is what? Students. In the students table, what are the columns we have? What are the columns we have? Suppose student ID, student name, student marks, city, state. So these are the columns we have. This is called column header or column name. This is called what? Column header or column names. Correct? These are the column names, please. Student ID, student marks, student name, city, state are the column names. And suppose if I insert something, student ID, 1, student name, Raj, marks 100, city, Bangalore, state, Karnataka. Okay. Now 2 Ram 200 Chennai Tamil Nadu. Okay. 3 Ramya 300 Kochi Kerala. 4 Adya. Okay. 150 150 Hyderabad Telangana. Okay. Next, like this, we have different records. Like this, we have different rows in a table. Okay. This is okay. Ramesh. Okay. 250. Okay. Vizag. Okay. Or Delhi DL. Yes, please. Like this. Are you clear, please? So these vertical lines are called columns. These vertical lines are called what? Columns. These vertical lines are called columns. Also called fields. Also called fields. Also called attributes. Attributes. The horizontal lines are called rows or records. Rows or records. How many columns in my table? How many columns in my table? One second. Not tell me. How many columns in my table? 5 columns. What are the columns? Student ID, student name, student marks, city, state. 5 columns. There are 5 columns. How many records are there? 6 records are there. 6 records or 6 rows. Okay. Now I have created a table in Excel sheet. The same table we need to create where? In Oracle. I wanted same look like in Oracle. How? First, we need to create a table. First, we need to do, we need to create a table. First, we need to create a table with the column names. With the column names. Later, we will insert the records into the table. Insert the records into the table. What we need to do now? We need to create a table with column names. With column names, and we need to insert the records into the table. So how to create the table in Oracle? How to create a table in Oracle? How to create a table in Oracle? By using this command, create table command. By using create command. Okay. So how to create a table? I'm showing you. Create table name. What is my table name? Students. Yes or no, please? Yes, guys. You need to write like this only. The syntax you should follow. Create table name. Create table name. Open the bracket, and here you must write column name. What is the first column? What is the first column name? Student ID. Student ID. Student ID should be numbers, no? I given student ID should be numbers. So now you should tell which data type it is. That means what kind of data student ID should be there? Numbers. So I am giving number of 10. I am giving number of 10. Student ID is a column name. Number is a data type. 10 is size. That means maximum 10 digit allowed in student ID. Maximum 10 digits. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Maximum, the maximum number allowed is from 0 to this one. 0 to this number. Because I given student ID 10. If you give student number 2, then it will allow 2 digits maximum. 2 digit maximum. Are you clear, please? Are you clear? Length. It is a length. Yes. Student ID, column name, data type, and size or length of the column. So if you give 9, if you give 2, it will accept 0 to 99. If you give 3, it will accept 0 to 999 number. Are you clear, please? That is called data type. So number data type. Student ID should contain only numbers. Student ID should be only numbers. Okay. Student ID should contain. What if size not mentioned? We'll see all those things later. First, we'll understand the basics, please. So next, student name. You should create student name. Student name, what type of data type? It's a character data type, correct? Is it a character fields? Are these the characters? Raj is a collection of character. That is also called string. This is string. Collection of single character is called single character Single letter is called a character. Collection of character is called a string. These are all strings. So we have a data type called varchar2. How many characters it can allow? 50. So it can allow 50 characters. A name can contain 1 to 50 characters. Are you clear, please? Student name 50. Then student marks. Student marks. Student marks. Okay. Student marks can be points, right? Like this, no? 95.5. Okay. 80.60. Can be decimal points. Yes, please. 74.15. Yes, guys. Okay. 99.99. 80.00. Okay. Or 70. Or 60.14, like this. So these are called decimal points. Decimal points. That means student marks should be decimal, or you can give number also. Number, comma, number. Now 5, 3, 2. What is number 3, 2? Number 5, 2, suppose. Number 5, 2. Varchar, varchar2, both are same. Varchar, varchar2, both are same. Now, what is this number 5, 2 means? What is this number 5, 2 means? What is this number 5, 2? Total numbers can be 5 digits. The total digits can be 5. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Before 2 digits, dot should be there. The maximum number it will allow is this number. So it can be 0. It can be 0.0. It can be 1.0. It can be 111.2. It can be 1.10. It can be, okay, 250.12, like this. So maximum number it will allow is what? Total 5 digits. In that last two digits can be number, can be decimal. After point, 2 digits should be there. Suppose if it is number 8, 3, number 8, 3, then number 8, 3 means total should be 8 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digits will be there. In the 8 digits, before 3 digits, dot should be there. Before 3 digit, dot should be there. Are you clear, please? Total 5 digits. Before 2 digit, dot should be there. Total 8 digits. Before 8 digits, before 3 digits, dot should be there. Are you clear, please? Are you clear? Understanding? Everyone able to understand, please? Understand? Okay. So student marks is number 5, 2. Then city. City also character fields. That means varchar2. Varchar2. Varchar2 of 20 or 30, 40, 50, 100, whatever the number you can give. Varchar2 100. Okay. Yes, please. Schema name while creating table is not required. No, not required. You already created a table. You already created a table. Okay. You already created a schema. Inside the schema, you are creating a table. Inside the schema. So this is schema. This is suppose it's a schema. Inside the schema, okay. In database is a collection of schema, right? Suppose in my database there are 2 schemas. Okay. So what is the first schema name? Just now we created OT SRC Dev 10. In this schema, we are creating different tables. Table 1, table 2. In this, we are creating a table called students. We are creating a table called students. Are you clear, please? Yes, guys. We already created a schema. Inside the schema, we are creating a table. Okay. So city is also character. Next, state. State is also character. State will be 2 characters only. If you want 2 characters or 3 characters, maximum 3 characters, you give 3 and close the bracket, semicolon. Close the bracket, semicolon. Close the bracket, semicolon. Are you clear, please? Are you clear? Understanding? Everyone? How to create a table? How to create a table? To create a table, this is a syntax. What is syntax? Create table, table name, column name, data type, size, comma, column name, data type, size, comma, column name, data type, length, precision. This 2 is called precision, comma, column name, data type, length, column name, data type, length, close the bracket and semicolon. This is how you need to create a table. Are you clear, please? How to create a table? Varchar is a data type. Varchar represents character data type. Number represent numerical data type. Yes, please. Varchar represents this column. Student name should allow. Student name can be only characters. Student ID should be only numbers. Student mark should be only decimals. Student city should be only characters. Student state should be only characters. Are you clear? Yes, please. Understanding, everyone? Understanding, everyone, please? Are you able to understand, guys? Yes, please. How to create a table? Did you understand? 1 second, please. Let me show. Yeah. Okay. This is how now. Once you return a create table statement, you need to select this and execute this here and execute this. Students table, students is created. Students is created. For alphanumeric, what we'll do, we'll see later. First, don't confuse the people. For alphanumeric, we'll see later. First, we will see the basics first. Okay. Now, have you created the table? Table students is created. Now, how to see? Here still table is not showing, no? Table student is created, but it is not showing. How to see that? Just right click on it, disconnect this. Are you seeing disconnect? Right click on the schema, disconnect the schema, and again connect the schema. Now the table students is came. Now the table students is showing under tables, under schema name, under OTSRC Douten, under tables, we are getting a students table. What to do? Disconnect. Once you create a table, if you want to see in the left side navigation window, right click on it, disconnect it, then click on this plus symbol, then it will be showing here. It will be showing here. Okay. This is how we need to see. Now, so we have created a table definition. This is called table definition or a table structure. That means we have created an empty table now. Yes or no, please? We have created only structure. We have created what? We have created only structure of a table. This is called structure of a table. Structure of a table or definition of a table. Definition of a table. This is called structure of a table or definition of a definition spelling. What is the guys? This is definition spelling, right? DEFINITION. Yeah. This is structure of a table or definition of a table. Okay. So now how to see? How to create a table? How to create a table? How to create a table? By using create table command. By using create table command. Yes or no? Yes, please. Now, next thing. How to see the structure of a table? How to see the structure of a table? Structure or definition or definition of a table. How to see the structure or definition of the table? By using, I'm just writing here, create table command, DESC command. By using DESC, describe command, describe. So once you create a table, if you want to see the structure, what you have created, you use a command called DESC table name. DESC table name. See, please. Is it the same? Whatever I created is showing here. Whatever I am creating is showing here at the down in the output window. DESC student, or you can write describe also. You can write describe students. Both are same. The short form of describe is DESC. The short form of describe is DESC. Are you clear, please? Are you clear? To create a table, create table statement. To see the structure or a definition of a table, then DESC table name. DESC table name. Are you clear, please? Everyone? Are you clear? Are you clear, guys? Yes? Okay. Now, how to see the records from a table? How to see how to see the rows or records from a table. Rows or records from a table. We have a command called select command. That is DQL command, select command. See please, I am giving select star from table name. Select star from table name. Execute it. See here, select star from table name. If you see, it is showing a empty table. Yes or no? It is showing only column names because we created a empty table. Yes, please. Did we create the empty table? So the same empty table it is showing here. It is having only column headers. It is not having any. Select star means select all columns from table name. Select star means select all columns from the table name. Select star from students. So it is having empty. Now what we need to do? You need to insert the records like this, right? You need to insert the records into table like this. Yes or no, please? You need to insert or not? Everyone, you need to insert the records. How to insert the records into a table? How to insert the records? How to insert the records to a table? To a table by using insert command. By using insert command. So how to create a table? How to create a table? By using create command. How to see the structure of a table? By using DSC command. How to see the rows or records from a table? Select command. How to insert the records into a table? Insert command. Are you clear, please? Everyone understanding? Understanding, please? Everyone able to understand? Non-IT guys, is it able to understand my lecture? Non-IT people, are you able to understand my topics, whichever I am showing you? Or am I going fast? Am I going fast? Yeah. Clear till now? Clear till now? Yes, please. Yeah. Okay. So now, how to insert the records? How to insert the records into a table? How to insert the records into a table? You need to write an insert command. You need to write an insert command. How to write insert command? Like this. Insert into table name. What are the columns we have? Insert into table name. What are the columns we have in the table? Student ID. Copy paste like this. Student ID, student name, okay, student marks, comma, student city, okay, comma, state, okay, insert into table name, okay, insert into table name. After that, values, after that, you need to write values. Now you need to give the values. What is the student ID? Student ID is 1, 1, comma, student name, Raj. Raj should be in the single quotes. Raj should be in the single quotes. Why? Because student name is a for characters, for character data types. Student name is a varchar data type. That's why you must give in the single quotes. Student marks 5, 2. How much? 99.99, comma, city, Bangalore, city, Bangalore, comma, okay. Then state is Karnataka, in the single quotes, then semicolon. What to write? Insert into all the column names, student ID, student name, student marks, okay. 1 second, please. 1 minute. So what we are doing? Insert into table name, column name, student ID, student name, student marks, city, state, values. What are the values we want? 1, comma, 1 is student number. So it is a number you need to write in the single quotes. Student name is varchar2 data type. So varchar2 means you should give in the single quotes. Marks, it's a number. You need to give number. Okay, you need to give number. I am giving 99.99. Okay, any number you can give. City, Bangalore, state, Karnataka. Select this. and execute it. One row inserted. Is one row inserted, please? Is one row inserted? Yes, guys. Now, how to see that row? How to see that row to the table? How to see the rows in a table? Again, take select star from students. Execute. Now see, please. Now the table is created with one record. Student ID 1, student name, marks, city, state. Okay. If you want to create like more, you copy paste like this. You copy paste like this and change it. Student ID. What is student ID? 2 Ram. Okay. Next 99. Next is 200. So the marks is 200. Then Chennai. Okay. Tamil Nadu. Okay. Next is what? Ramya. Student ID 3. You can copy paste here. Ramya. Okay. Marks are 300. 95.90. 95.5. 95.5. 95.5. Comma. Okay. Comma. Next is, what is the city? Kochi. You can write here Kochi. This is Kerala. Okay. Next is student ID 4 Adya. Student ID 4 Adya. Okay. Student ID 4 Adya. Okay. Then 80. Then Hyderabad. So this is Hyderabad. Then it is Telangana. Okay. Next is Ramesh. 75. Ramesh. 75. What is this? 75.15. 75.15. Next is Delhi. 75.15. Delhi. The state is DL. Okay. Next last record is, this is 5. This is 6. This is 6th record. 6th record is Ramesh. 6th record is Kavya. 6th record is Kavya. Okay, this is TL, right? Kavya. 6th record is Kavya. 60.14. 60.14. 60.14. Okay, 60.14. That is Kolkata. Okay, and WB. Yeah, and then delete this record. So I have created how many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Select all at a time and execute. All should be putting a semicolon at last. Semicolon is must at last. So select all these things and execute it. Now see, rows inserted. Now execute select star from students. Now see, all the records has come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Raj, Ram, Ramya, Adya, Ramesh, Kavya. These are all records. Yes or no, please? These are all records. Okay. Now, once you insert the records into table, you need to save the records from a table. How to save the records? How to save the records to the table? Once you've done insert statement, you should use a commit statement. You should use a commit statement. At last, you should give a commit and you need to execute the commit. Then only it will save. Once you insert a statement, once you insert the records into the table, you should give a commit statement. If you don't give commit, then it will not work. Then the records will not save. If you create a Word document or a notepad, you will commit, right? Yes or no? Will you commit? Will you save? Will you save the notepad? When you write something, when you create a notepad, you will save it. Same way, when you insert the records into table, you must save it. You must save it. Are you clear, please? Are you clear? Everyone? Understanding? Everyone understanding, please? Able to understand? Yes, please. Yes. So these are the things. So now, how to create a table? How to create a schema? We have seen what? First, how to create a schema. How to create a schema? Like this. Create username identified by password. Grant all privileges to user. Grant DBA to user. After that, okay. After that, you need to create a table. How to create a table? By using create table command. How to see the structure of a table? DSC table name. How to see the records from a table? Select star from table name. How to insert the records into a table? insert into table name, insert into table, column names, values like this, and how to save the records to a table by using commit statement. Are you clear, please? Understanding, everyone? Understanding, everyone, please? You able to understand, guys? So did you understand today's session? Did you understand today's session, please? So now, so after this session, I will create the practice groups. I will create the practice groups. You will join the, 1 second, let me ask them. They will be creating the practice groups. Please wait. Yes, please. So I will create the practice groups in some time. I will send you. You please join in the practice groups and practice. Guys, I am saying, okay, please wait. Okay. What I am saying is, please listen what I am saying. See, if you don't practice Informatica, you have to practice Informatica, please. If you need a job means, if you need a job, you need to practice. How much time you are practicing is your wish. You should practice. You should practice, please. Okay. If you need a job, you should practice. How? Practice in the practice groups. Practice in the practice groups, please. Practice in the practice groups. Join any 1 or 2 practice groups and please practice. Create a Zoom link. Create a Zoom link. Call to the people and make friends with them and create a Zoom link and join in 1 group or 2 groups or 3 groups, 4 groups and practice and always speak English while you are practicing. Whatever the English you know, please practice with it. Are you clear, please? Guys, are you clear what I'm saying? Yes, please. Yeah. Now, in this, do you have any questions? In this, do you have any questions? You can ask the questions now. With schema only, we need to create a new schema. Yes. With schema only, you need to create a new schema. From schema, you need to create a new schema. From schema, you need to create a new schema. Yes. Next. Any other questions, please? You can ask the questions again. How to delete a schema? We'll see that later. How to delete a schema? We'll see that later, please. Okay. When we need to create other schema, you no need to create any other schema. One schema is enough. Or you can create another schema also. Next. DSC is command DDL. See, apart from DDL, DML, DCL, these are the basics commands I told. Basic commands I told. Apart from these commands, there are many other commands. DSC will command apart from DDL, DML, DCL, DCL. There is no name for a DSC command. Apart from these commands, there are many other commands. DSC will not come under any command. Okay, next. With select statement, we can select only one column, not rows. You can select the rows, columns and rows both. If you give select star from students, you can get the columns and rows both. Suppose you want only one column. Select student ID. Select column name from table name. Only one column you give. Select column name from table name. Only one column you give. It'll give only one column. See, if you want two columns, you give two columns. Select student ID, comma student name from student. See, like this. Okay. Varchar2 and varchar both are same. Varchar2 is a data type. This is column name. This is data type. Varchar2 number is a data type. Why we don't use comma after declaration of last column? No, you should not give comma after last column. For first column, second, third, fourth, after last column, close the bracket and semicolon. You should not give comma after last column. Grant comes command under which comments? Under comes under D. What is that? One more statement is there. I'll tell you. DDL, DML, DCL, DCL, DCL. Data control language. Grant and revoke. Grant and revoke will come. Transaction control language. Yeah, TCL. Correct. TCL. Transaction control language. Transaction, but no need to learn about grant and revoke. No need to learn about grant and revoke. Okay. Transaction control language. Control language. What is save point? We'll see later. Okay. We'll see all those things later, please. We'll see all those things later. Okay. These are the basics we know. These are the basics we have seen. Okay. 1 second, please. Yes. Infodom, InfoRepo also schemas. Yes. Infodom and InfoRepo also schemas that will be used for Informatica purpose only. For Oracle purpose, we created one more schema called OTSRC DevTime. Why use var before char? That's a data type. In Oracle, we should use varchar2 only. You should not use just var. You should use varchar2 only. In one schema, how many tables can be there? In one table, unlimited tables. There is no limit. Schema name, can you give any name? Yes. I given a schema name called OTSRC DevTime. You can give any name. Any name. How many maximum columns you can create? As number of columns, any number of columns you can create. If you enter existing value in student ID, will you take again? Yes, it will take again. If you enter existing column, suppose I'll insert the record, same record again. See? Okay, I'll insert the same record again. Now see, it has now 2 times. 6 ka is 2 times. 6 ka is 2 times. Or select star from students you can give. So 6 ka 2 times it is present. Okay. Instead of can you use string? No, you should use varchar2 only. Sys means system. Sys DCL commands not required. What if you have so many rows in a table? Then how to insert? Like this only you need to insert. If you have so many rows also, like this only you need to insert. Is it compulsory to give size or number data type? Yes, maybe. Yes. But without size also you can do. We'll see later. You told password is a case sensitive schema creation. Yes. If you give here in the schema name, I given what? Password in small letters admin. While you are creating a schema, you should give small admin only. You should not give capital admin. Yeah. Varchar is just a name. It's a data type. It's a data type. Rollback we'll see later. Underscore is important. If you want to use underscore, you can use underscore. Otherwise, not required. Otherwise, not required. How to get single row? We'll see later. If 1000 rows are there, same way. 1000 rows you need to write. What is save point? We'll see later. How to see 1% detail? We'll see later. Okay. In real time, what we need to do? We'll see later. Okay. Yes, copy paste. Yes, you need to copy paste. Yes, please. Are you clear, guys? We can give any names, columns, rows, table name. You can give any name, please. You can give any name. Okay. Practice groups. Do we have any old batch students? Not required. No, don't take help from old batch students as of now. Try to do it without any help. You people should discuss yourself and you need to practice. And you need to practice. Okay. TCL command. TCL is already given. 1 second, please. It is data control language, I guess. 1 second, please. Where I have written. Okay, TCL, this is data control language, I guess. Data control language, sorry. It is data control language. I'll check it out 1 second. I have in here. 1 second, please. I'll tell you the exact one. 1 minute. I'll tell you, please wait. Okay, DCL, data control language. It is DCL. It is DCL, data control language. Data control language. It is DCL. This is DCL. Okay. Yes, please. That's about that. Okay. Var means variable character. Yes. Can we configure the create? Then no. You need to create a schema. Then only you need to configure. What is commit and rollback? We'll see later. Transaction control language is commit and rollback. Yes. In that name means how many letters or how many letters? 60. Yes. If you give here table, create table, total 50 letters it will accept. Student name will accept only 50 letters, up to 50 letters. Okay. How many data types are there? We'll see how many data. How to see the person? We'll see later, please. We'll see later. Difference between number and character. Number will allow only numbers. Character will allow number data type will allow only numbers. Character varchar will allow characters. That's the difference. OT means order tables. Some name. Okay. Yes, please. Are you clear, guys? Everyone how to remove the duplicates. All those things we'll see later. All those things we'll see later, please. Okay. First, we should understand the basics. We should every time we need to select, not required. At last, once you insert all the records, commit, then select. Okay. Yes, please. I will tell you in the later sessions more about things. Okay. Can you add special symbols in a tables? No, you should not add special symbols. Underscore is important. Yes, underscore is important because you should not give space for a column name. That's why. Date and time, how to do, we'll see later. Date and time, how to do, we'll see later. Yeah. Number and character, both which data type, number is number data type, character is varchar data types. Okay. Yes, please. I will show you. Next session is on when? Next session is on Wednesday, please. So whoever completed installation, please help others. Whoever not completed, complete by tomorrow. And next session will be on Wednesday. Okay. Yes, please. I will tell you. I'll tell you what are those. Is it case sensitive? All those things I will tell you. If you want to give the numbers and characters, what to do, I'll tell in the later sessions, please. Later sessions. You can create a schema without underscores also. You can create a schema without underscore. Practice groups. In sometimes I will send you. How to select one row, I will tell in the later sessions. Course link, you will get the access today. Okay. See, guys, to get the website access, you must pay the full amount. Please. Okay. So please, from Wednesday onwards, you will not get a Zoom link. Now what you need to do, I will show you how to join. From Wednesday, you will not get a Zoom link, separate Zoom link in the WhatsApp group. How to join from Wednesday, I will show you now. I will disconnect this call now. I will show you how to do. Just do it like that. Do it like this. Okay. Yes, please. Okay. Yes, please. We'll see now. Please see. I'll get the document. Please wait. Guys, see please. Okay. See please. So how to download Zoom to join live classes on Raj Informatica. Okay. So now what to do? First, you need to download Zoom app. Everyone downloaded Zoom application? Everyone downloaded Zoom application? Everyone downloaded Zoom application? If you did not download, then what to do? You need to go to this link. You need to go to this link. If you did not downloaded Zoom, you should go to this link, zoom.us/download, and you need to download this button. When you press this button, Zoom installer will install in your laptop. You have to do in laptop only. You have to do this in laptop only. Yes, please. Once you download the Zoom, install the Zoom. So everyone downloaded the Zoom? Everyone downloaded and installed the Zoom? Yes, please. Everyone installed and downloaded the Zoom? Yeah. So you should download the Zoom, please. You should download. After download, log into your Gmail ID. Log into your Gmail ID which you given to me. Once you, okay. One second. So once you, what you need to do? Once you downloaded the Zoom app, you need to log into Gmail. You need to log into gmail.com and take your Gmail. Which Gmail? Suppose I given this Gmail. 1 second, please. 1 second. 1 second, guys. Please wait. Let me log. Once you download the Zoom software, you need to log into your Gmail ID. Are you clear? Are you clear, please? Are you clear, everyone? So once you, this is the download link. Download link is this. So this is the download link, zoom.us download. Zoom.us download. This is the download link. Okay. So this is the download link. Once you download the Zoom software, log into your Zoom, log into your Gmail ID, log into your Gmail ID as per this document. After that, what you need to do? Open Zoom app. Open Zoom app and click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, what you need to do? Once you click on sign in, select your Google. Select your Google, please. Understanding, everyone, guys? So first, download the Zoom app, then log into Gmail ID from Chrome, then open the Zoom app, open the Zoom software. In this, what you need to do? Sign in. Once you sign in, then select your Google account. When you click on Google, it will show you the Gmail ID. Then select the Gmail ID, and then what you need to do? Click on OK. Then open the Zoom meeting. Open the Zoom meeting here and click on join here. Are you seeing join? Click on join. Once you join, it will ask the meeting ID password. Now, how to get the meeting ID password? How to get the Zoom meeting ID password? You need to go to rajinformatica.com. If you have paid the full fee, what you need to do? You need to open rajinformatica.com. Once you open rajinformatica.com, guys, able to understand, everyone? Able to understand? Yes, please. Everyone. So once you done everything, okay, then log into rajinformatica.com. Log into rajinformatica.com, the same Gmail ID. Whichever you given the Gmail ID to me, the same Gmail ID should be used in Zoom. Same Gmail ID should be used in here also. Where? Should be used in same Gmail ID should be used in rajinformatica.com also. Okay. After that, what you need to do? Go to student section. Go to students. and then enrolled courses. Go to students, enrolled courses. Once you go to the enrolled courses, select your morning batch. Select your 15th morning batch. Select your 15th morning batch. Start learning. Once you start learning, you can see here video lessons. But to join to Zoom, what do you need to do? Go to students, join live session. Join live session. Go to students, join live session. Select this morning batch and use this ID password. Use this ID password, please. This meeting ID password, you should type, copy paste the meeting ID, but type the password to where? To here. In the when you click on join, it will open the join link, right? Okay, there you need to put this. See here. Okay, join meeting. You should give. Okay, you should give your name and meeting ID. Meeting ID is this. You should give here the meeting ID, the passcode. You should type it here and click on join meeting. Then you will be able to join. Are you clear, please? Now what I will do? I will end this call now. Okay. Yes, I will end this call. Use this meeting ID password. I am sending this meeting ID password in WhatsApp group. Use this meeting ID and password and join now. Join now so that for the next session, it will be easy to you to join. Will you join? Will you join, please? I will send this user ID password to you now. Okay. So, but from Wednesday, this will change. It will be there in the website. You should go to rajinformatica.com. You should go to rajinformatica.com. You should go to students, join live session. If you pay the full amount, you will be having the access to this. Otherwise, you will not be having access. Okay. So what did you do? Morning session. Then their user ID password will be there. Okay. This user ID password, what you need to do? You need to join to the live session. You need to join to the live session. Now will you join? So what you need to do first? First, you go to here, zoom.us/download. Just Google, you can put in Google also. Zoom.us download. Download like this you can put. Okay. If you put the first one will come. Download center Zoom. Okay, not this one. Better you copy paste this only. Zoom.us/download. When you press like this, then it will show this. Download it, then install it, then log into the Gmail. Okay. Then open Zoom app. Okay. Once you log into the Gmail, open Zoom app. Okay. In that sign in, click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, select your Gmail ID. Select your Gmail here, Google. You select Google. You select your Google here. Then you will be able to log in. Once you log in, click on join meeting. Once you click on join meeting, it will show you meeting ID and name. Meeting ID you should take from where? You should go to rajinformatica.com. Okay. And join live sessions. Go to rajinformatica.com, join live sessions. From this live session, you select morning batch. Here, you can get the meeting ID, copy paste the meeting ID, then click on join. You should give your full name here. You should give your full name here, please. Okay. Give your full name and meeting ID, then enter the passcode, type the passcode, and then join. You will be able to join. So please test now itself. I am ending the meeting. You need to test now. Will you test? Can we join back? Can we join back, guys? Because if you join now, Wednesday will not waste the time. Wednesday will not waste the time. I don't want to waste the time, please. Okay. So I am now how to join. Don't click on the link from the Zoom, please. Don't click on today's link. Just follow the process which I told. Okay. Just follow the process which I told. I'm ending the call. I'm ending the call. Okay. Please rejoin back.